Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, I can't talk today. So if you're not familiar with Tokyo Treat, it's a monthly subscription full of snacks and treats from Tokyo, Japan. I have not opened it yet, so we get to see what this is about. Every month this comes, it is always themed, and of course, perfect for Valentine's Day. Even though I'll probably post this tomorrow, but it is Valentine's Day. And inside the booklet it has basically a bunch of stuff, from puzzles to what it came with and other random stuff. So it's kind of cool. It has, like, you know, different stuff about Japan and their treats and culture and stuff that you can buy and just random stuff. So anyways, you don't care about any of that probably. So you care about what did it come with. So we've had things that are very random, some that are like, ugh, like that, not so much, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So
okay, let's pick, what is that? It's called Shin-chan Chocolate Stars. So maybe a cracker that is shaped like a star and it's covered with chocolate.
Maybe, like, it always ends up being like white chocolate, right?
Oh.
Is that what this is?
It is also packed with vitamin D.
Oh, look at this.
Oh!
That is so cute. It's so cute. It's like a little, like, star, but it's like just like a little individual wrap.
Wait,
That's quite a bit. It's like, it's a decent amount.
1, 3, 6, 9, 10. Has 10 pieces inside.
It looks like a vitamin.
Yeah.
It looks like a little vitamin. Oh, it's hard too.
It reminds me of this chocolate candy.
Oh, that's good though.
I like it. Mom's gonna like this.
It kind of tastes like a cocoa. Like a melted, like.
I like it.
Okay, I like it.
Okay, next one.
You can pick the next one. Okay, looks like barbecue on chips with rice.
Super hard. I don't know how to say it.
Super heart. Chipple? Chipple? I don't know.
Super heart, so it's shaped like a heart.
Yeah, but it doesn't look like it's shaped like a heart on the thing.
Oh, it's a rice snack.
It's a rice
Snack. It's packed with garlic to give you a flavor-packed sensation.
Yeah, I'm gonna scissors.
Oh no.
What? Wrong one, right?
Yeah. This one's the that one is called Calbee chocolate dip chips. So it's chocolate
chocolate dip chips? Oh, this should be interesting.
Last time we got like a strawberry one. Remember?
It's like a chocolate drizzled over a chip.
Last time we got strawberry. The chip is strawberry.
Yeah, right? I don't really taste anything.
I like it.
I don't either. It's a thumbs down. It's like there's no taste to it. It doesn't really taste of chocolate.
You're being cut off.
And I really don't.
There you go.
Hey, look at me. I have no head.
Okay. You pick.
I guess this one.
That
so
one. That one is the super heart chips. Chipple.
Oh, that one opened right up. Oh yeah, so that's definitely like the rice cake looking.
Yeah, and it's garlic.
Sorry, Gatorade.
Oh, that's okay.
So this is supposed to be garlic? So it's just like a rice type cake.
Oh, it's a heart, yeah, look.
Oh, it's not bad. Oh, it is a heart. It's definitely not bad.
Yeah.
I give that one a thumbs up. I can eat that.
Okay. This one is called kimchi rice puffs. So kimchi.
More puffs. Obviously, Japan, Asian, lots of rice.
Like rice.
Looks like little breadcrumbs. I don't know if you can see that.
It's okay. It tastes
like a
like
little
kimchi.
I have
It's
that
like
one.
kimchi.
It's good.
Okay.
Mine.
This one.
Yeah.
That one is chocolate Amiibo. We always get that every month.
This looks small though, right?
Yeah, it looks small.
So normally they come with like a Amiibo, like every month comes with one.
Yeah, Amiibo, I don't even know.
Are we pronouncing it correct? Amiibo?
Amiibo.
But every month it comes with
now
a
it's
different
chocolate.
one. And they're always different flavor. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Look at that.
It's much more smaller. Oh yeah, it's covered in chocolate.
So it looks like a chocolate covered like rice cake or something. Yeah, not bad. It's like not like really sweet
Strong,
though.
yeah, and it's not that strong like the chocolate, or maybe it's because we ate this.
Yeah, it could be a combination of all the other stuff we ate or the fact that it's not that strong. Sorry about the background noise. Wife and them are playing Mobile Legend.
It's chocolate puffs. A Pokemon chocolate puff.
Pika!
Pikachu.
Pikachu! Pika Pika?
Oh, it's corn puff.
Oh look. Look, it even has like the little
it's like a Pokeball.
like a Pokeball or whatever, yeah. So that way you can open it and close it. Of course it got damaged in shipping.
I think there's something in it.
There is, there's a little card, look.
Oh yeah, and all of the cards are here.
It comes with like a little, and it shows all the cards you need. I don't know.
Open it.
Don't know. Oh, and in the front it has, so I don't know all the Pokemon even though I did play like the Pokemon Go.
Oh, it's a sticker. I feel like it's a sticker. Yeah, it is a sticker.
Who is
I don't
that?
know who this is.
Oh, look at it. Look. That's so cute. That's so cute.
Oh, it's shaped like Pikachu's
like
head.
it's like a shaped little Pikachu head. That's so cute.
It's
You
okay.
made a face like ew. It tastes like a combination.
Oh, it tastes like chocolate. It doesn't.
No, it tastes a combination of like white and dark chocolate. Like white in like a medium chocolate.
Look what we got. There's a lot of stickers here.
I can eat that. I'm not the biggest fan of it though. But I'll still give it a thumbs up because it's not bad.
Okay.
They always come with share packs. That's like the other thing they always come with is these random share packs.
It's called the vegetable salad heart chips. So vegetable chips.
Vegetables? Who wants that?
Vegetable salad chips.
Veggies? Oh.
Yeah.
I know, right? Veggies on Valentine's Day?
Nope, but it's shaped like a heart. It's shaped
Oh,
like
but
a
it's
heart,
shaped
yeah.
like a heart because Valentine's Day. Hold on, I gotta like cut it open.
How would be?
Oh.
Is it really shaped like a heart?
Yeah, they are. Look. This one's broken though.
Weird heart.
Like it's like a weird. It's like a weird heart.
Tastes bland. Doesn't taste.
There's really no taste to it. It's like plain. Nah. Let's save that for last.
Oh, that one looks cute. Aw.
That looks familiar.
Okay.
These look familiar, like the Asian store.
It's a petite pudding chocolate.
So I keep hiding my face because like the camera doesn't really like to focus that much, as well as the fact that like you can hear the background noise. That's my clock because it is 9 o'clock exactly. So these are like, what are these supposed to be? It's like a chocolate.
Pudding chocolate.
It looks like a half little pudding. Like I don't know if you can see that.
Chocolate.
It's like half pudding, half chocolate, or is that like a vanilla chocolate and dark chocolate? I don't know.
Smells good.
But no.
Okay. Look at.
You know my response. I like it. I can finish that
You know what
tonight.
I want? I want gummies.
Oh, I know, right? They don't.
I don't really
don't really have. They have that. Oh, I'm not a big fan of that, but we'll do that one next.
Okay.
Let's do this one.
That one is Glyco strawberry biscuits.
It seems like they've been having, like, they always have a biscuit too, right?
Yeah, I think so. And also,
Yep, and they always have a drink.
Oh, yeah, I think.
And they always seem to have a flavored Kit Kat that we can't really get in the US. That's what's weird too. Like they have all these different flavors. If I can.
It smells really good.
It smells like strawberry.
Mm-hmm.
Does it
Oh, that's cute.
I can't really. They're like little. Try not to. They're like little cookies, and they have little hearts on them. I don't know how well you can see that. It has like little hearts on it.
Oh, good.
Oh, that's a big cookie. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
It's lacking of like the filling. I don't really like the taste of filling.
Really? I like it.
That's good.
It's like a strawberry, like not a strong strawberry. It's a very like mellow. I like that.
Onto the next one.
Obviously some sort of marshmallow.
Okay, that one is. Wait.
Your mom would like this.
Oh, it's cat paw marshmallow. So it's a paw.
Oh, look.
It's cute.
So it has a little
paw print on it.
paw print on it.
It's big.
I'm not a big fan of marshmallows, but
I still have marshmallow in the pantry.
it's like just a normal.
Yeah. Marshmallow.
There's nothing special to it. It's just like a normal marshmallow.
That's it.
Like I said, I'm not a big fan of marshmallows, so the only time I'm a fan of marshmallows is like s'mores. Where they're half burnt over a fire.
Small. But that one is the soy sauce crackers. Soy sauce.
I'm surprised that I haven't gotten sick after these. The only one that I got sick was that seaweed eel.
Oh, that was tasty.
That one time it was so bad. I just want to break. I'll let you break the part off. Like.
Oh, I remember some like this kind of snack. It tastes like
Yeah.
it tastes like some what is it called? I keep forgetting what.
It's just like sponge cake almost, but it's
Yeah, okay.
I forget what you call it though. All right.
Let's go with this.
You want that or the
This.
sangria?
That. Canada Dry.
Yeah, but there's no alcohol in it, is there?
No, it doesn't say anything here.
Just making sure there's no alcohol.
Canada Dry.
This is sangria.
Sangria.
That sounds good though.
What does it smell first?
I'm betting it smells fruity.
It smells like an alcohol.
Yeah, that smells like it has alcohol in it. But you said it.
Say. What beverage will give you Valentine's Day? Oh, Valentine's Day, this fruity. Right, doesn't say that.
Sangria flavoring. Nah, there's no alcohol. It's good though. It's like very fruity.
And there's like no, I don't
you
like it.
taste like the sangria. I like it. That's good. Yeah. All right. I guess there's 2 left. What Kit Kat is this?
I think it's orange. I don't know. It looks like orange. Okay, that one is Japanese Mikan Kit Kats. What's Mikan? Have you spirit left with these refreshingly sweet and sour Japanese Mikan Kit Kats. The white chocolate covering contains real Mikan flavor. We don't know what Mikan is.
Mikan looks like on the picture. It looks kind of like an orange.
Yeah.
I guess we'll like break part of one.
Yeah.
Because I know I'm not a big. I'll break it in half and then you can like take a bite. I'm probably not gonna eat the whole thing, but I don't know. Yeah, it's always weird. It's like always these weird flavored.
It reminds me of my vitamins, like the orange.
Right? No, you know what it reminds me of? Almost like an orange sherbet.
No.
She don't like it.
I don't like it. It reminds me of my vitamins.
So it's not bad. It tastes to me like almost like an orange sherbet. Oh, I'll eat it. All right, the last one, she will do on her own,
I
but
got that last time. I remember remember making like
Yeah, but this is different.
No, it's the same thing. I think it is the same. Yeah, like the peanut something.
Nah, read it. It's they always have like a.
Yeah, it's a mochi, kinako mochi. Oh, maybe not. Oh, it's chocolate. Never mind.
Yeah, so it's always like a build it. You like mix water with it. And you make like basically gummies.
It's really fun.
So she has fun always doing that after the video and that. So, but that's everything that this month came with. What would you have liked to have gotten?
This one is my favorite. This
mine's,
one too.
Yeah, I was gonna say
And also the biscuit. I like.
Mine's a toss up between this and the biscuit is my favorite. What's yours? And anyways, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out whatever YouTube video it recommends to you. And bye.